How to manage invoices in MetaPOS Retail. Press Invoices button. Select an invoice to view its details. Daily invoice number, receipt number, station number, date, time and details, sales total. Invoice information is displayed on here. The item list is displayed here. Subtotal, discount, tax, total. Payment type and amount. Print receipt. Edit, void invoice. Press Audit button. Cashier's transaction history is displayed. Payment details are shown here. Press from date. Select another date. Press calendar icon. Select this week. Show this week's invoices. Switch to the latest view. Switch to the oldest view. You can search invoice by sales amount range, customer, daily invoice number, item, receipt number, 4 digits card number, paid amount. Select sales amount. Enter sales amount. Press OK. Search results are listed here. You can also search invoice by status. Select Cancelled. Cancelled invoices are listed here.